Hi friends, this video shows how to start OpenClaw in Verbose mode. We can start OpenClaw in Verbose mode if OpenClaw is not starting, it's stuck, so you can check the logs and debug the issues. First let me check the status of OpenClaw in this machine. Command is OpenClaw gateway status. See, so now OpenClaw is running here in this machine. By default in this Ubuntu Linux machine, systemd will be managing the OpenClaw. So that is why I am using this command OpenClaw gateway status. So first we need to stop OpenClaw. Let me run OpenClaw stop command. Okay, so now OpenClaw has been stopped. So let me verify. Just run this command OpenClaw gateway status again. See, it stopped. So next I am going to run OpenClaw in verbose mode. This is the command OpenClaw gateway -- port. So here you can mention the port. If you want to change this port, you can change here. Then -- verbose. Let me run this command. See, so this way we can run OpenClaw gateway in verbose mode. And here you can see it started. Agent model, OpenAPI GPT 4.1 Nano. This is the primary model. Then listening on this WebSocket. Location of log file. And if there is an issue, you would be able to see that error log here. So you can easily debug. This way we can run OpenClaw in verbose mode. If you want to stop this verbose mode and go back to the previous mode, you can just press Ctrl C, exit from here, then just run this command OpenClaw gateway start. Then just check the status. See, it's running. So now again it's running in normal mode. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.